Good morning, it's Miss Cosma again. It's time for reading. Okay, everybody needs to find a different book today. Any book you can find. If you don't have a book, you can use the read alouds that will come in the next few slides. So you can always listen to that and use that to do your work today. So find a picture book because you're going to need it for your work. And remember, the strategy we're using today is look at the pictures. Think about the clues the pictures give you about the story. And then you read. Look, think, read. You should have your book by now. And you should be looking at the pictures and the words in your book. And remember, as you're doing it, to look, think, read. And think about the characters as you're reading. Who are the characters? Who are the people in the story? It might not just be people. It might be an animal. It might be about a boy or a girl or a dog. Who knows? But see who the most important people are in your story. Remember, people, it could be an animal, not sure. When you're finished reading and you've had a good go, remember, if you don't know all the words, just look at the pictures. Read the story by looking at the pictures if you get stuck. When you're done, fold your paper into 3 pieces, and then you're going to write BME. What does that stand for? Do you remember? You're right. Beginning, middle, and end. You're going to retell the story. You're going to show the first grade teachers about your character, what happens to them at the beginning, the middle, and the end of the story. And you can see on this slide, you've got the whole word for beginning, middle, end. I was being lazy and I just wrote BME, but you can write the whole thing. But if you want to cheat, you can do it like me. Don't tell anybody, it's okay. This is what a story I did. I started off with my 1 piece of paper, folded it into 3 or just drew your 3 boxes, whatever's easiest. And you did your beginning, middle, and end. Can anybody guess what story I read? Yeah, it was a story about Snoopy. And at the beginning of the story, he was wondering what was he going to be doing. He wasn't quite sure how he was going to spend his day. He thought about it. And then towards the middle of the story, can you guess what happened? He decided to type. It's like this is an old-fashioned computer. Before we had computers, when people like me were little, we had little keyboards to type on, and he decided to type a letter to his friend. At the end of the story, he was so exhausted, he needed a nap. He was tired from all the typing he had to do. So we're just looking for something as simple as this. Show us the beginning, the middle, and the end, and what happened to the character. So my character was Snoopy. I look forward to seeing who your character is and what happened to them in their story.